Start now, Vivek.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friends. I am here. I am Vivek Shivana Soddi, and I am here to present my topic: Spot the Robot Dog. These are my contents, and like to introduce you to my topic. Uh, on June 23rd, 2016, Boston Dynamics revealed the four-leg spot, which only weighs 25 kgs. It was basically built to go places where the humans can't, where the humans find difficult to go, as it is small robot that it can climb stairs and terraces which humans find difficult to go. It can map its environment, sense and avoid obstacles, climb stairs, and even open doors. It can also fetch you a drink if you want. Literature, sir. The Boston Dynamics is a company which is well known for the robots they are building. The Boston Dynamics is a company which is not powered much by artificial intelligence, but it has much of its mechanical commands. But they are now improving and they are introducing different like APIs and in their API SDK in their robots. I would like to tell about the API used in this. Boston Dynamics build an API so that the customers can create application level products with Spot without having to deal with low level control processes. The Boston Dynamics created a high level API and SDK that allows people who are used to web app development or development of missions for drones to use that same scope, and they will be able to build applications for Spot. There are handful of new ways in which we can take advantage of Spot's ability to navigate through, uh, to some extent, the world around it. The previous API, which was introduced in it when it was introduced to the market, uh, it was it only allowed users to command Spot to move in specific directions for specific distance at specific speeds. Now it has been vastly expanded to allow Spot to be directed to navigate autonomously through entire building. There are different APIs like Graph Navigation API. The initial API creation is done by hand primarily because of the complexity of the environment that Spot operates. Once you have the map, sir, 1 minute. Once you have the map, now you have the ability to perform autonomous navigations, such as patrols and inspections. In earlier version of Spot, this was only a tablet capacity, a feature known as AutoWalk. It is an application through which we can only the through AutoWalk, the Spot can only go to specific distance, but now as now it has been updated to 2.0 release. Developers now have access to the high level autonomous navigation behavior behind AutoWalk. Applications can now use Spot's high level navigation commands such as go to waypoint and track where the robot is located on a larger map. Developer can also record, edit and maps uploaded to the robot through its camera. uh, the other API is Mission API. The API provides a behavior tree based system for programming autonomous actions. The Mission API works with the Graph Navigation API to allow users to fully integrate Spot with code for customer sensors and command sensors, world object and local grid APIs. Users can access more of the information Spot senses. The world object API shows objects discovered in the world such as fluids. The local grid API also shows navigation information near Spot such as terrain heights, its distance, etc. There are other examples that through which Spot's API can be used is it has an updated Spot SDK which allows uh, which allows user for documentation and programming to help user learn more how to develop Spot. These are some commands through which we can operate Spot. Like Spot Go, it will start the robot. Spot launch, Spot repeat. These are different commands used to control robot. Its users can be done in construction sites, oil and gas industries, electric utility, mining, healthcare. And these are the references. Thank you, sir.